Hello everyone, good morning. Today I'm going to start with a new topic, that is unit digit. So you'll definitely get 1 or 2 marks, like whatever your exam you're preparing for. So let us consider an example. So I'll consider a number 34. So can you say what is a unit digit of this number 34? So 4 is a unit digit. And let us consider another example like 6036. So the last unit digit is 6. So whenever I want to add three numbers and find out the last unit digit, you can do like this, like 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. So the last unit digit is 9. In the similar way, whenever I want to multiply two numbers, 37 into 23, 7 into 3 is nothing but 21. The last digit is 1. So whenever I want to multiply three numbers, like 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into 6 is 18. The last unit digit is 8. So this is a concept of unit digit. Now let us understand the last and unit digit cycle, how it works for different numbers. So for these numbers like 0, 1, 5 and 6, power can be anything but the value will be same. Now let us check how. So 1 power 1 is 1, 1 power 2 is 1 itself. 1 power anything can be, but we'll get answer as 1 itself. So even for 10 square we'll get 100, for 100 square we'll get 1000 itself. So we'll get last digit as 0 itself. So for even 5, 5 power 1 is 5, 5 square is 25, 5 cube is 125. So we'll get the last digit as 5 itself. Power can be anything, but we'll get 5 as a last digit. Even for 20 square, we'll get the power as 0 itself. For 6, we'll get the power, anything power can be, but the last digit can be 6 itself. So you should remember for this. So for 0, 1 and 5 and 6, power can be anything, but we'll get the same value itself. For other numbers, like let us consider it for 4 and 9. So for 4 we have two possible combinations. So 4 power 1 is 4 and 4 square is 16. The last digit is 6. For 4 cube we'll get as 64. So the cycle is repeating 4, 6 and 4. So there are two possible combinations. So you may get doubt like when I should take 4 and when I should take 6. And I'll tell with a simple example. So whenever there is a 4 power 2, so the power is even. So when the power is even, you should take as last digit as 6. So when the power is odd, you should take the last digit as 4. Even in the similar way, so 9 power 1 is 9, 9 square is 81, the last digit is 1, 9 cube is 729. So the cycle is repeating. So for 9 we have two possible combinations, 9 and 1. So you may get out like when to take here also. So whenever there is a 9 power odd, so whenever there is a power odd, you should take as 9. Whenever the power is even, you should take as 1, last digit as 1. So for these two numbers we should take last digit like this. For other numbers, let us consider other numbers like 2, 3, 7 and 8. In this 2, 3, 7 and 8 we have four possible combinations. Now let us check. So like 2 power 1 is 2 and 2 square will be 4, 2 power 3 will be 8 and 2 power 4 will be 16 and 2 power 5 will be 32. So the cycle is repeating. When it comes to 2 power 5, the cycle is repeating from the starting itself. So that's why we have four possible combinations here, 2, 4, 8 and 6. In the similar way, 3. 3 power 1 is 3, 3 square is 9, 3 cube is 27, 3 power 4 is 81, 3 power 5 is 243. So the whole cycle is repeating again from the starting itself. So that's why we have four possible combinations here. And for the 7, similarly we have four combinations. 7 square will be 49, 7 cube will be 343, 7 power 4 will be 1. So in the similar way the cycle is repeating from the starting. For similarly we for number 8 we get four combinations. So we should remember all these combinations to do or solve the problems. Now let us consider some example problems so that you can understand easily. So whenever I want to perform, like there is a question 3 power of 72. How to solve this question and how to know the last digit? So whenever there is a 3 power anything, so first of all you should divide this with 4. So whenever you divide 72 with 4, you'll get some reminder, right? So that reminder you should focus. For number 3, you got reminder 4. So reminder 4, what is the last unit digit? 1. So 1 is the last unit digit. Similar way, you should not focus all this. You should focus only on the last digit itself. So 7 power here 2014. You should take only the last two digits and then divide it by 4. So the answer reminder will be 2, right? So whenever there is a number 7 and the remainder 2, so you'll get answer last digit as 9. In a similar way, you should take this last digit 8 and then divide the 65 by 4. You'll get remainder as 1, right? So 8, whenever there is a number 8 and remainder 1, you'll get the answer as 8 itself. So for 6, what I said at the starting, for 0, 1 and 5 and 6, power can be anything, but power can be 23 or 23,000, but we'll get the same answer, right? I have shown you right at the starting 0, 1 and 5 and 6. So power can be anything, but we'll get the same value. Here also power can be anything, but we'll get same value as 6. For 9, we have discussed two possibilities. One is even and another one is odd. So we have odd power here. If it is odd, we'll get as 9. If it is even, we'll get as 9. So there is a power, odd power, so we'll get as 9.